So I wanted to learn OpenGL because I wanted to make my own Minecraft, and I'll be learning OpenGL from this learnopengl.com site. To start, first have to do the setup for OpenGL to work on your system. So let's first set it up. For that, I need to download a few things. 64-bit CMake, and the source pack is GLFW, and glad core profile makes you get the core profile. We need 4.6 and generate glad.zip. This is what we need, and I'm gonna use Visual Studio 2022 for this. I already have it installed. So download it again. See, I already have it installed. I need to install that. GLW. GLW. Delete folder. Here is the download. GLW. Select just the zip folder and the build will be inside. I can do this once done. Now configure please. Let it run for a while. It is by default, and configure again. Done. And then generate. It's complete, and now we just need to create an empty project. First project C++ eventually. We have this empty project ready, and we first need to build, and this one we need to open this and build the solution. Click here and click on build solution. build successful. If it gives any error, then we have to do it all over again. But our build is complete. You can just close it. And you can include this thing. And there's debug checkstings, sync files. There's a debug folder. Where is it? I think it's a source folder. Where is debug? And we need this library, glad.js. So you need to open the project folder that we just created. This one I just created. We need a new folder called library. Libraries. Inside it, we need folder called lib. Another called include. And from debug, this library, import this inside it. And include. We have this, and we need to extract this one. It's a glad zip file that we downloaded. We can just delete this one now. We don't need this, but I'm gonna keep it for now. Inside the include, we should have all these three inside the include folder and library. This one. And going to the main project folder, you have to copy glad.c to the main folder, glad.c. Now we can just delete all this, and delete all this if you have done everything correctly. Now open the project, and from your project folder glad.c, drag and drop into the source file inside your project. Doing this, just need to 64. Make sure this is on 64, and then you need to select this thing for all platform, and then yes, and there's the include directory. Select that include folder we created inside the libraries, and the include. Okay, and then there's the library directory. And lib folder, and click OK. And it's installed. There's a linker and input. Inside the linker input, additional dependencies to add glfw3.lib and OpenGL32.lib, glfw3.lib and OpenGL32.lib. Then apply and click OK. And now project everything should be set up, and you can check this by creating a main form. And If everything's fine, it's not gonna give error, and if it's something's wrong, then it's gonna throw an error. And that's kind of how you can check that everything's well. And as you can see, everything is project setup complete. And kind of make sure to import glad first and then import glf. It's more like include. um, I'm just doing this on first, but including glad first doesn't matter. Make sure you don't